happiness normally in our life now because there is a due to some financial crisis in my family. The second is as an employee.
I'll just interrupt for a moment. You will give happiness how? What will you do?
To get a good job.
Okay. So financially you have had some problems. So you feel obviously by getting a good job, you can at least be financially independent and give the financial happiness to your parents. Fair enough.
Second thing is as a teacher, as a lecturer, to give a contribute to student, give a good support and a good learning, so they can't feel little bit tough. It's feel like it's a easy subject because I'm taught that way. હું એ રીતે સ્ટુડન્ટને ભણાવીશ કે એ લોકોને અઘરું ન લાગે, એ લોકો ઇઝી અને હેપીલી એ લોકો એટેમ્પ કરી શકે. એઝ અ પોલિટિશિયન હું સપોઝ
I would want the real life role that you're going to play. See, if you're telling me that if you intend to become a teacher, right, which I assume you do, then you're going to do. But at the same time, are you going to join politics also?
Yes, why not?
Okay, being a professor, you intend to join politics.
Yes, our Prime Minister is also professor.
You can. I have no issues. I was just clearing the fact that you want to do that. Yes, please.
As a politician, I filthy nation to the corruption. જે ગવર્મેન્ટ સેક્ટર્સમાં જે કરપ્શન્સ છે, જે ઘણા બધા અલગ અલગ સ્કેમ્સ આપણે જોઈએ છે, એને હું ઓલવેઝ એવોઇડ કરીશ, કાઢવા માટે ઓલવેઝ પ્રયાસ કરીશ કે જેથી મારું નેશન્સને જે એનાથી ઘણા બધા નુકસાન થયા છે એ ન થાય.
Philosophical, but yes, if you intend to do that, I'm very happy. Some of the practicals also I would want, which you really are going to do. Yes, please.
I have 3 nieces and 1 nephew, so as a role of an uncle,
Okay.
My focus is on education.
Okay.
So where it will be possible for me to spare some time, I will help them in their school assignments and so on. And if it will be possible, then I will go to their schools and meet the teachers.
To know their progress. Great. So as an uncle, you would want that you help your niece and nephew in their studies. Great. Fine. Anybody else? All the girls out there, all the last 3 girls, please speak up, eh? You did speak, I know. The other 2. કંઈ લખ્યું હશે ને બેટા? કંઈ લખ્યું જ નથી. લખ્યું છે ને તો શેર કર ને પ્લીઝ. દિશામાં મેં હા પાડી દીધી બોલવાની. હવે બોલો. Any one role. Okay, so you want to become a businessman, a businesswoman, and you would make sure that your organization is working properly. Yeah? So that's fine. Why were you scared speaking? Okay, so first you will fulfill કે તમને જે કામ મળ્યું છે એ તો તમે સરખી રીતે કરશો અને then you will make sure કે તમારી ટીમ બી કામ સરખી રીતે કરે. Fair enough. Anybody else out here? Yes, please.
Helping person. When I was reach my destination, what I have to think, those people who are not achieve their goal because of some money problem and all, they cannot reach his destination. He was not working well. So when I was standing this stage, I would like to help.
Okay, so here your contributive space is, of that of a citizen. Yes. And you will help the people of the country or the underprivileged people to get somewhere. Yeah. So the contributor space is a citizen, and the contribution that you're planning to make is that once you achieve some, certain thing, then you would make sure that you help the other citizens of the society. Okay. Yes, please. You must have written something, right? You were discussing out something with him. Okay. Last one, anybody? No? Fine, I think it was a pleasure to, talk with you guys, and I'm sure, or rather I wish the feeling is mutual. If not, then this is something wherein the contribution thing is something wherein it is going to help you out, but it is not a compulsion. જો તમને એવું લાગે છે કે હા આ મને મદદ કરશે being a contributor, only then become one. Please don't think કે just to land up with a job, don't become a contributor. Become a contributor because you feel that it is going to help you out not only in your job, but to for you to become a better human being, for you to grow. This is the last part. I'm giving you some forms. These are the feedback forms. If you can please fill it to me and fill it and give it back to me. I'll just pass it on. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
So just a minute, friend. On behalf of our NSA department, I am very thankful to Madam for arranging such a nice session for our NSA 4 semester students. And I also express my thanks to these two gentlemen for capturing the entire event. And also thanks to Disha Madam for remaining present in the session, and also thanks to all students for actively participating in this session. And
I am also very thankful to the students because even if they were not participating, they were at least I could see the interest on their face. Which જે હું બોલતી હતી તો I could at least see કે ના સાંભળે તો છે. તો that was very મને સારું લાગતું હતું કે ના હું બોલું છું તો વાંધો નથી.
And finally, from our department, I would like to give a thanks letter to ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
So please stand up and say a prayer to us.
Thank you so much.